Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn numbers. Kids colors name: red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids and eye coloring numbers. Kids first read of 1 and use red color. O N E 1 2 T W 2. Kids again use red color and draw 3. T H R W 3. 4 F O U R 4. Kids again use red color and draw 5. F I V E 5. Kids night 6 and use yellow color. The numbers of 6. S I X 6. 7 S E V E and 7. Kids again use yellow color and draw 8. E I G H T 8. 9 N I N E 9. Kids again use yellow color and draw 10. T E and 10. Kids night 11 and use blue color. Blue color. The numbers of 11. 12. The numbers of 12. Kids again use blue color and draw 13. The numbers of 13. Kids night 14. The numbers of 14. Kids again use blue color and draw 15. The numbers of 15. Kids night 16. The numbers of 16 and use black color. Kids night 16 and use black color. Black color. The numbers of 16. Kids again use black color and draw 17. The numbers of 17. Kids night 18. The numbers of 18 and again use black color. Black color. 19. The numbers of 19. Kids again use black color and last reader 20. The numbers of 20. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.